Morning dear children, welcome to standard 4th subject moral science. Today we are going to learn chapter 7, accept yourself. All of you listen to me carefully. A baby camel was walking in the forest with his mother. A baby camel was walking in the forest with his mother. He was curiously watching the other animals and enjoying their beauty. He complained to his mother, "Why are we created in this way? No other animal has a huge hump on its back or a long neck like us. We are the ugliest." He was rather sad and seemed to be dissatisfied. The mother lovingly replied, "God has created us in this way to suit our living situation." Then this animal, what he is doing? He was watching other animals and he is imitating other animals and seeing their beauty and all. Then he thought, "I am the ugliest animal." He cannot accept himself. Then his mother was told, "God made us this way. Then for it is suitable to us this way only. That is why God made us this way." Then what is going again? Many a times we are like the baby camel, looking at others and comparing ourselves with them. We complain about what we do not have and fail to enjoy the many good things we possess. The moment we start to compare and complain, we become discouraged and dissatisfied. We are going to compare with the others and we don't have that way, this way. They have that nice, that one is there. Then this and that we will say. Then we compare with the others. But we have to satisfied with the what all things we have. God only created us on his own image. God created us. Okay, what God is created, that is everything is in the nature. It is beautiful only. But we have to accept ourselves and we have to satisfied with the what we have. Then dear children, we should learn to happy with whatever we are and whatever we have. The secret of happiness lies in according to ourselves as we are. God has created each one of us as a unique person with the utmost care. Your color, shape, talents, etc. may vary. You may not be beautiful as your friend, or you may not have what your friends have, but you possess many other good qualities with others may not have. Identify them and develop them. We don't have others like beauty or anything, but we have all talents, qualities, and we have to find out that, and we have to progress it, that our talents and qualities. We have good qualities and good talented. We all are talented and good qualities in our life. Identify them and develop them. Comparing and complaints lead to destruction. It makes us forget our own capabilities and capacities. We become like the small girl who destroyed all her valuable toys just because she did not have a balloon like her friend. Learn to be satisfied with what you have. When we are comparing with others, other things and all, we have to destroy our own things. Then we are disappointed and dissatisfied with our own life. We destroy our own life. Then what we have to do? What all things we have to satisfied with them. Then remember, every person is a gift of God, a wonderful, marvelous gift. Remember, we all are gift of God, a wonderful, marvelous gift of God. You don't have to compare yourself with others. So, know yourself, accept yourself, and be yourself. And that is the best way towards happiness. We have to, for happiness, towards our own happiness, what we have to want to do? We are a gift of God. Wonderful and marvelous gift of God. We are going to compare with others. We do not have any satisfaction in our life. We want to know what all the qualities we have. Some are very good to sing, some are very speak, some are very talented to draw. That way our own talent we have to find out, and what all things also, what our good qualities we have to see in our own life also, others also. Then we are happy to live this world. Okay. Then we have to do that way. Okay. Understood this lesson? I hope all of you understood this lesson. We have to accept ourselves. Then only we can happy with in everywhere. Okay. Then you have to remember, read the lesson, question answer and one word answer, and I will give you PDF. You have to write and study. Your notebook and textbook, both book you have to write and study. Okay. Then okay. Thank you, children.